All right, here we are at the lake. It is cold. Got out of the truck right now. It was 35, so a little chilly. Sun's gonna be coming up here in probably a half hour or so. Yeah, it's chilly. What the heck? That's odd. In the middle of the trail, really? Peeps, come on. It's a little dark, it's hard to see, but at least the lake doesn't look like the generator's on, so no flow, but that's okay. We'll go for some trout. I don't think the striper or catfish are going to be very active today. They like that water moving. But we'll see. Never say never. I'm going to try it anyway. I brought a bunch of bait. I have cut sardines and some other stuff. We'll see. Yeah, that generator's off. That's okay. It's supposed to be really calm today. No wind. The wind laid down last night like at 7 or so. It's been calm. Definitely looked like it rained up here pretty good. Oh yeah. This access road is all rutted out. Oh yeah. Yeah. So it's kind of dark, but you get the picture. Just like that. That wasn't very long at all. I mean, that was a couple seconds in the water. Couldn't believe it. I just threw it out there. Let's go. Come on, trout skis. Trout came to play today. All right. Now I gotta get down there. He's flopping and rolling and doing all kind of stuff. Holy smokes, man, I can't believe that. I just put it in. Let's see if he stays. That was crazy. Holy cow. That was pretty cool. And I don't have a net either. Where am I going to go here? Let's go. Let's go. Oh, he's not bad. Wow, that was so fast. Like I just threw it in. Pretty cool. No, but oh, he's not bad. Oh, he's nice. Oh yeah, he's nice. Yeah, you guys can see that. That's a nice fish. I did not bring my net, dummy. Come on, you. You're going home. That is a nice fish early in the morning. Can't beat it, guys. I love it. Now I got to get back out of here. Oh, what a beautiful day. It's been raining and windy. Last 2 or 3 days has been foul. Last night it laid down, and here we go. All right. Well, the trout definitely came to play. I think I got another one biting here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I think so. No, I think they dropped it. Yeah, they dropped it. I got another one here. Oh yeah, good one. Oh, nice. Very nice. Oh, that's a good one. Sweet. I was rebaiting the catfish rod and wham! Look over and this thing's peeling. Should have paid attention. Yeah, that's a nice one too. All right. I don't know if you guys can see it down there. He's flopping around. Oh yeah, nice fish, dude. Come on, let's see if I can land him. I don't know if he's going to stay right there or not, but this is going to be tricky. Do that. All right, you stay put. I'll be right there. I have to run all the way around here. The water's kind of low. I should have set up down there, but that's what it is. Hopefully I can get down there in time and don't go taking off. The things we do for love. Ooh, it's slippery too. Oh yeah, he's right there. Oh, that's a nice one too. Oh yeah. Nice fish. Pretty. Real pretty. Real pretty fish. Definitely not the proper way to do this, but you do what you got to do, right? There we go. And hopefully my other one doesn't go off while it's up there. Good times, man. It's a beautiful day out here. Got some nice fish. I'm going to take these to the smoker today and get them ready for Super Bowl. Super Bowl is tomorrow. So, all right, and back up we go. And in the box. Yeah. I'll get my pliers here. Undo it. Lucky he didn't swallow the hook too bad. I can get it out really easy. Yeah, just like so. Stay in there. That's a nice fish. It'd be great for the smoker. Yeah, I was right in the middle of baiting up my catfish rod. I was actually going to reel one in and throw out the catfish rod, and boom. Good stuff, guys. Okay, so I got it rebaited here. I'm going to try to chuck this back out again. That was pretty cool. I think they've gotten a little bit farther from the bank. Sun's come up, so it's not a very good cast. Let's try that again. Let me get it out a little bit farther. Let's see here. There we go. Put a little bit more oomph on it. Get that down. There we go. Bam. And you sit and wait. Pretty cool. Beautiful day out here, man. Doesn't get any better than this. Got another one here. Holy smokes. That's a nice one too. They are biting. Oh. Oh yeah. That's a good one too. Come on, buddy. Come over here. Let's see. Oh, acrobatic even. Let's go. Come on. Let's get you over here. Come on, brother. One of these times I'm going to crash and burn. It's not going to be fun. I'll end up in the water. I should have just set up down here, but that's how we roll. That's a nice one too. Come on, you. Let's get in here. Come on, bud. Problem is I left that other rod completely unattended. Hopefully this one's not buried. Oh my god, that's a big one too. Jeez. I'll tell you, tanks came to play today. That's a big one. Oh, beautiful fish, dude. Beautiful fish. Come on, give up. I'm going to try to release this guy. We'll see where he's hooked. If he's buried, I'll just take him. And let's see here. Come on, you. Oh yeah, beautiful fish. Yeah, that's a nice one. Come on. Don't do anything crazy. Come on. Chill out. Nah, he swallowed it. That's it. That's okay. And go on the smoker. I got quite a few people coming over for Super Bowl, so that is a nice fish for here. That is a beautiful fish. Well, chill, 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 chill. Don't need any of that. And hopefully my other rod up there, it's not in a rod holder. Hopefully I didn't lose it. When these things come through, they come through in schools along the bank, and it's not uncommon to have, you know, all of your rods go off at the same time. So you got to be kind of mindful of that. Come on, chill, Bert. Whoa, yeah, this is dangerous. I shouldn't have done this, but whatever. No, that one's still good. All right, I'll get this thing in the bag. I mean, that is a beautiful fish. Heck yeah. Let's go. Well, that's 3 for today. I think I'm good. I could probably sit here and catch some more, but don't need to kill him if I don't have to. I got plenty for the smoker. And plus, I got some deliveries coming in today, so got to be there for that. But I mean, look at the view here. This is beautiful. Thank you guys, much appreciated. Like and subscribe if you like the content. I'll keep it coming. So thanks again. See ya. All right, so I'm gonna walk out of here. Quite a long walk, but I just wanted to show you a couple different views of the lake. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Not in shape anymore. But yeah, elevation up here is kind of high too. I think we're at about 5,000 feet, but oh yeah, beautiful day. Not bad for the winter. Pretty good. Well, here it is. Beautiful day today. Don't think I could say it enough. I can't think of a better way to spend a Saturday. little out of breath. That's a good hike. Kind of gassed. I got probably extra 10 pounds of fish in my pack, so. But yeah, this is it. Guys, get a chance, get out. Go see the open. Get out in the country, get some fresh air. Get off the phone. Get off your computer. Go see the wilderness. Go see wildlife. There's nothing better. Hey guys, back at the truck. I made it. Long hike. I had a lot of extra weight in my bag. Ended up with 3 good ones today. I think I missed a couple, but did pretty good. There was a few other people catching out here. Good day overall. A little chilly in the morning, but good day. I just want to take a couple seconds here to shout out some of my good friends, some of the guys that give me inspiration to do this every day. I love fishing anyway, but some of the guys in my life really help me out with, you know, motivation, inspiration, all that stuff. All the guys at Coastal Gardens, Carrie Joyner, thank you. I think this blue hoodie had some luck today. All the gutter guppies, you know, Mike and Jed, Carrie, all you guys, thank you so much. You guys keep this going. And also my work crew. You got Keith and Kainoa and Matt, Tosh, Jimmy, all you guys, man, thank you so much. You guys got this going. You've been urging me on for years. So I finally got it going, got the courage to do this. But just for you guys, thank you. But until next time, go fishing, man. It's out here. Just go get it. Thank you, guys.